Hi, this is John from Prairie Gardens. I have a lot of questions this time of year. What can I plant? It just depends on a couple of things, especially the air temperatures and the soil wetness. That's our big factors. Things that you could plant this time of year would be grass seed, some of the cooler crop vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, spinach, uh, and then some things you'll want to wait till later, like your other vegetables that need the warmer temperatures. Above 50, 55 is when you want to start doing things, crops like tomatoes and peppers. So you want to just have to wait a couple more weeks for that, at least probably 3 more weeks. But the big factor is don't get in the soil when it's too wet. So we can't get out when it's muddy and wet because we disturb the soil. It creates it to be really hard. So I know we're anxious, but it really just depends on the soil wetness, especially. Uh, to combat some of that, you can watch where you want to plant things. Like if you have a little raised bed, you might want to start planting some of your vegetables, cover it up with a tarp, and then that way that'll keep any excess rains off of it, and that'll keep it dry when you want to get in and plant. Uh, so that's what I have to tell you today. Watch out.